Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have a Google Pixel 6a with a very damaged display. And David is gonna go right into it. So let's go. So when we repair Google Pixel smartphones, we remove the display itself. So we're gonna slice through the adhesives here. The adhesive is very strong, but given the damage of this one, there's a lot of gaps already, so we can leverage on them. And you can see that there's also a tempered glass over the display. So the damage can be exaggerated, but it's really in due for a replacement display because it's really not anymore functional. You can see that the connectors and the internal components are all intact. We're going to remove the retaining clip. It's going to be tricky, so we're going to use two tweezers. Then remove that and then free up the display and then put that to the side. So we haven't checked this yet, so this is going to be the first time that we are about to check if this device is even working. I'm going to put the connector for the display without the retaining clip. Try to charge it, and it's showing us something pretty nice, but I think there's some issue with the charging, although the display is already good, so we're gonna fix that later. So from the old display, we're gonna remove the fingerprint scanner. So just like Google Pixel 6 Pro, Google Pixel 6, I think the fingerprint scanners are all underneath the display, not on the back. So with older Google Pixel smartphones, they tend to have that on the back. Some smartphones have them on the side. So this is the only tricky part of this repair. It's not really straightforward, and you have to have the proper tools and experience to remove this. You don't want to damage this part though. Although if you damage it, you can still use your device without the fingerprint scanner, which is kind of a bummer. I think the fingerprint scanner is more convenient and more efficient than entering the pin numbers. We're gonna also transplant this rubber grommet over the camera hole on the replacement display, and we're gonna put fresh liquid glue all over the side of the housing. So this will ensure that the replacement display will adhere to the housing and not fall off. So this is it. It's really quick. When it's Google Pixel, it's really a quick screen replacement. And I hope you enjoy this, guys. If you have the same case with your smartphone, you don't hesitate to message us. We're gonna do the repair for you, and of course David is gonna do the same thing to your own device. So thanks for joining us. See you next time, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.